Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here to do. I'm Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here to explain. I'm here to discuss with you guys about the AI revolution. What is AI revolution actually? AI revolution. We are all see that this is a beginning of the revolution. Artificial intelligence revolution has begins, right? So we need to be look over into that. Is it really a wake up call from the AI revolution and artificial intelligence wake up call to the human intelligence? Like that, we need to be think. This is the perfect time to be think of that so that we can just revolutionize our way of living life and our way of working life balance and professional life and personal life, whatever it may be that we can utilize this artificial intelligence to just make up our work easily and increase our productivity. So where it really born the AI revolution dramatically, we are seeing from the 2 to 3 years dramatically changes in the AI era. Where it really borns means this is where the seed is came from is OpenAI. OpenAI is just like an organization. It's just like an organization as like an Amazon, Tata company, or Infosys, like that. It's an organization which develops a AI tools. AI tools, that those are the tools we are going to see today. So I'm very curious to share this information with you guys. Let's see, jump into the session. See, this is the timeline for next moments. I just divided this timeline into a six manners. Like first we are begin with the introduction of the ChatGPT and the introduction of the artificial intelligence, and after the, after that we are going to be meet our knowledgeable friend, none other than the ChatGPT. Actually that's more than that friend, like an virtual friend. And after that we can go for the applications of the chat gpt, and also we can go and explore the what are the applications we have from the chat gpt. Next to that we can go and play with the chat gpt, like our new virtual companion or new virtual friend. We can play with them and we can play with that. And I really want to thank to the co-founders, because without them we can't utilize this kind of luxurious tools to make our lives in a better shape today what we are living in. And also the sixth is I want to share with you guys some of the AI related tools, AI related resources the interested candidates can go and explore in a very depth manner. So what wait, let's jump into the session. Introduction: Artificial Intelligence and ChatGPT. What is artificial intelligence and ChatGPT? We are going to see the introduction first. Then this is called artificial intelligence. See, as we are also human being, we are also born with a very empty brain. Like we are all born with a blank mind. After borning, we can just gather the information from the parents, from the teachers, and from the surrounding peoples, from the public, from the magazines, from the TVs. These are all the surrounding things we can gain the knowledge that knowledge is converted into that intelligence. Then we can call that as an human intelligence. That's similar kind here also happening. That artificial intelligence is just nothing but a one type of a one type of a hardware. Just hardware is just nothing but a some collective of the raw materials we can combine, that can we call it as in a robot, right? After that robot we can just dump into some softwares, like by using the microcontroller chips and some of the electronic gadgets. By using that we are dump into the see here the capacity given by the humans, the intelligence what we are given to the artificial like robots is by the humans only, because the humans only already have a knowledge or already have an intelligence. We didn't The robots didn't have the intelligence before, and also the robot can't able to I mean the robot unable to gather the information by seeking the others, by seeking with others as like an human intelligence gathering, right? So that's why the capacity by given is by humans only, just to memorize and learn from the experiences and speak and understand the emotions of the others. And by like these all things that the human, by observing the human intelligence, that also learns as an intelligence, and that will be help return to us. So that is what the artificial intelligence is about. And the Elon Musk also once said that we're all hearing there and here and there some of the public places, like AI will be replacing the job. So this will be in a very bad situation for the corporate sectors and the people who are employable in the corporate sector. Is it true? Just the Elon Musk is also a part of founder of the OpenAI. So he told that AI will not replace you, but the person who is aware of AI and the person who using the AI tools, that person maybe replace you. So you need to understand here is you need to be learn and cope up with the AI tools, and you need to be aware of the AI tools. Then only your job will be safe, and you will be safe, and you will be have a capable to enjoy your life within a luxurious productivity life by using the tools that provided by the AI. So what's waiting for? Let's jump into the next slide. And the chat gpt is it's really, and we can see that in few days ago or few decades ago we have see that maybe I'm going to be some I'm going to be joining some company. I need to be write on a resume or write on some emails to the manager direct. It's like a we need to be take some time, like 1 to 2 days in before the 2 decades and 5 decades. 5 decades are just nothing but we need to spend some time, right? But nowadays it's just on a fraction of seconds that's happening in a fraction of seconds by using the chat gpt. So that's why we are just moving from science fiction to the reality just by breaking barriers through the chat gpt. This is the power of chat gpt. You can ask anything that related, it doesn't matter. It's related to the science, it's related to the maths, it's related to the some other kind of subjects. It will give answers in a fraction of seconds. And particularly the ChatGPT now for the non-prime members, it's giving the data, or it's giving the answers according to the data that was stored in the 2021. But as you guys as you guys is as you guys will see in this session, I will show you how can you crack the premium version without paying any money. We'll do that in the session of the climax. Okay. And what is ChatGPT? Chat is just nothing but a chatbot like GPT, in the sense just generative pre-trained transformer. Already the trained, I mean the robot, as we discussed it before, the robot is also a device that is just pre-trained. I mean just that learn the things in a learn the things as like in a human being, that in a tons of data, not in a small data, listen a large data. So based on that data it will be give the outputs and answers as the humans asked in a different ways of questions as a prompts. In the chat gpt, what we are going to ask the questions, we call that as a prompts too. So by getting your prompts, that will generate the new answers and new kind of answers, or else that modifies the answers. As like we are working for an astro, as we are just dumping the data in the terms of images. But here the chat gpt is giving a answers in a textual manner, right? So that's why the people who are manufactured or who are launched the chat gpt, they are dumped the data in terms of the textual manner, the tons of data, tons of tons of GBs of data that is dumped into in the manner of textual context. So that's why we are getting the answers in a textual context. And also you can use it for you can use it for conversation, or you can use it for just like, and you can treat it as a your friend, your virtual friend, like learning to generate human like emotions, neural network architecture, whatnot. Whatever you ask, it will be given in a fraction of seconds. So we are also play with that in this session. Let's move to the next slide. Virtual companion meet. Let's meet our virtual friend. It's a way to meet the virtual friend, new companion. Just pat your shoulder that you are going to be meet a virtual friend today. This is the way we need to be go and meet to virtual friend. We need to be just click on this web link. This web link is just an open AI. It will takes to you an open AI. Like this, you can see the login page. After that, you can just click on this login. You can you can access the welcome back page. Like you can enter your email address and Google. If you already registered, I mean if you already signed up means you can just enter with the Google, or else you need to be enter I mean you need to be enter your new email address and go with that process. Okay. So I will back to this virtual friend again. We will move to the topic. Okay. Yeah, this is how you can go and meet your virtual friend. And this is the interface how it look like when you are once logged into your chat gpt page or your open AI. portal. Okay, this is how your interface will be interface and the dashboard will be appears. So here you saw, right, new chat, you can just click on new chat, or else you can send a message, is there, no? You can just type whatever you want, then you can get an answers regarding to that. And also we have some limitations as of now, like it may be sometimes rare cases we can get occasionally some incorrect information will be get, and also produce harmful instructions, and sometimes it doesn't. I think I didn't get a I didn't get in a single time, but rare cases it will happen, right? So limited knowledge of world. See, as per the limitations we saw here, events after 2021, it doesn't provide an answers. But we have some extensions for that. We can also get the data after 2021 also. Okay, we will see in that feature, and also you can see examples and the capabilities. See, this is how we can crack the AI premium version. And yeah, we can get access to the AI premium version. I will show you how can you get this type of interface without paying any money and without paying any premium version charges like $8 per month. You don't need to be pay a single dollar. Then also you can use this. So here also here you see, we can see different tools we can use from in a single interface, like related to the blog, social media content, email, using for fun, like you can use it with children's and also your brothers, sisters, like that. Website copy, career related content, case study, video content, whatnot. What else you require? See, all things are available here. And this submit button, what you are seeing here, submit button is I'm created with my own curiosity and my own interest. If you are really interested to create the submit button, you can go to the YouTube. You can get the tons of data in a video format. You can just ask to the YouTube, like, I want to create a submit button for my chat GPT, and the some of the fellow traveler, some of the person will appear and will be explain how can you just create the submit button to your chat GPT, so that you can easily accessible your files from the desktop to chat GPT without you just copy paste it, and you can just interrupt with that. Like that, you can utilize the submit button also. Chunk size, whatever you are seeing is chunk size, is just nothing but your input your input message or your input comment should be within this 15,000, or you can also increase that 15,000 to much more also. Like that, we can use this chat GPT in a well manner. You can do anything, whatever you want with this premium version. I will show you some more details in further slides. We'll move to the next slide. See, devote quality time. I mean, whatever we are experiencing in our daily life, or whatever we are doing in daily lives, we just need to be devote some quality time to bonding with your exciting new virtual companion. What you are really introduced, what we are really introduced with a new companion like ChatGPT. Just give some time, just pay some time to the every day, like half an hour, 1 hour, to chit chat and to ask whatever the questions in running in your mind. Suddenly I just asked one randomly, I asked one question like, I have a 50,000 or 50-60K in my savings account. So I want to increase. I want to just get a more ROI. So can you suggest me some of the steps to follow, and also where can I just invest that money, so that I can get an ROI. So within a fraction of seconds, that will be generated some table like investment option, potential ROI. If you invest in stocks, you can get this 6 to 10% of the ROI, returns of income per year. If you invest in real estate, you can get 8 to 12% per year income, return of income. Like if your certificate of deposit, you can just get an 1 to 3%, right? So if you are a risk taker, if you take some risk and just invest that money in a cryptocurrency, you can get 10% 10% per year. But volatile means it doesn't guarantee, right? Cryptocurrency, these are all the doesn't guarantee, but these are all the ways I can see when I ask this question, like, I have this much of money, I want to invest, where I want to invest. Can you just suggest me some options? These are other appearing options. So like this, you can ask any kind of questions, you can get the answers. And I also asked another question like a human like conversation with the chat GPT by unlocking the potential of human AI. Yeah. You can ask the any kind any kind of questions to the ChatGPT that will answer you within a fraction of seconds. Like that, I am asking the question like, what is the use of Amazon Astro Robot? That will answer like, Astro Robot is just designed for a versatile home robot that can help users with various tasks and provide peace of mind when they are away from the home. It's just like an working for work as a security, and also it creates some peace of mind that what we are really lack in nowadays. So this is how in a precise manner that will give an answer. So that please be communicate with the your virtual companion, and do conversation like human with ChatGPT just by unlocking potential of AI technology. I'm just removing that video file because of the it's some interruption. ChatGPT applications. The future is already here. See what are the applications of the ChatGPT we have. We are not we are I think the wait is over. The future is already here. We don't need to be wait for the future. Let's see this many of the applications we have. This is the just from the playground option, and also we have prompt based and AI landscape. Nowadays we are seeing many people are just aware of the chat gpt, but we have any dramatical applications, and more number of more number of tools is available within the AI, within the chatgpt.ai. If you want to explore this, you can just to type into the chatgpt.ai/explore. You can just land into this web portal. And the question and answers, I just explained some of the tools in this ChatGPT AI. We are just in the place of playground. In the playground you are seeing that question and answer. You just ask any question that will give you an answer. So because if you are not in a premium version, premium membership, then you can that will be answer only one question per day. If you have any questions related to the business strategist, that will also give in a precise manner by the business expertise. And also fashion blog and post generation. So if you want to, if you have any pages or blogs, if you want to if you want to generate a content related to the fashion blog, you can just enter your fashion blog content or related to the prompt that will be generated in a successful fashion blog. You can just copy and paste into your blogs. Like mindfulness coach, if you want to some coach related to the mindfulness, you can ask any questions related to your mental issues, it will be given answer. And successful business, if you want to run any business, or if you want to generate some income through businesses, you can ask the questions that will be generated. We'll also see by example. See, if you want to join as a membership, prime membership, then if you want to join as a prime membership, you need to be pay $8 per month. So this is prompt based, this is the main important thing I think so, because prompt based, because with the prompt base only, the questions with the prompts only, the chat gpt will answering in a precise way, and in a good manner, and in an understandable way. So I think it's better to be just to look into these all prompts to see how can we use the prompts for a different questions, and for the different related techniques, and different questions what we have in your mind. So best practice for and also fun coding related. If you are the guy who is working for a coding, and if you want to, how can we use the coding, and also how can I ask the questions related to the coding. So you can just click on that coding prompts. You can just get a number of prompts, and by reading that prompts you can understand that, oh, if I am going to ask the coding questions, then I should use this kind of prompt. Like that you can get an understanding. And also YouTube videos ideas. If you want, if you have any channel, YouTube channel, if you want to create some videos, you just ask any YouTube videos that will be generate ideas for you. You don't need to be think more and ask for some other guys to get their shit to your mind. Okay, so that it will be also used for given ideas. And mental models like a psychological framework, whatnot, everything is there here. So for the prompt to learn the prompts, and to learn the way of prompts writing, you can just use this prompt base. And AI landscape. This is the very wonderful platform. AI landscape is ChatGPT is also a part of the artificial intelligence. We are already see that the photo AI, this photo AI, author AI, character AI, these are all the These are all the just cloning your voice, or cloning your voice, and also cloning your faces with the others, or with the characters of with the characters of popular faces. Or also, if you are a membership, you can clone you can clone your voice and face also. See, this character of a character A, photo A, author A. These are all useful. These are very useful when the someone of our family members, or someone of our old age, like grandpa, grandmothers, are expired, we can use we can use their voice, and we can use their photos to just dump into this author AI or photo AI, character AI. Or also, here we can see, I can with these AI tools, we can use that as a just like in a real conversations. By using these tools, we can make as a real conversations. We can see in our next slides, that is also available, how the Elon Musk will talk like that. We can see in our upcoming slides. See, by using these AI tools, we can just clone our old voices, or any kind of voices, not only old age, any kind of person's voices. So this is the very wonderful opportunity by giving the artificial intelligence. And this is what I just explored, and I just tried. I just enter into the a group of elephants playing a game of a scholar field. Just imagine and give an examples. That surprises me with these three images. Like this, you can try anything. Like if you are sitting in an office, or if you are sitting in a some of corner of your in your home, just ask a person is sitting in a home and watching the television. Just ask that. That will be generate some different kinds of images. That is the power of AI tools. And these are the customer stories. AI tools, they're also combined with the some of the applications, or other some of the companies, like a Khan Academy. Khan Academy is useful for a lot of interviews, like Elon Musk, and all kind of entrepreneurs interviews, and also education related. So we can use number of content, number of related video related content in the Khan Academy, by using the ChatGPT 4. And also Duolingo is just nothing but a, you can if you I just experienced that Duolingo is helped me to teach Hindi, as like my mother teach me a mother his mother her mother tongue. That's how I experienced it. When I learned to when I starting learn the Hindi, I just I just enter into the Duolingo and just signed up. When I am starting from the basic, from the fundamentals, I just learned how can we talk, how can we say, how can we use the words for elders and youngers, like that. You also get experience, as like you already got experience with your mother, by gaining her mother tongue. That is what I experienced with the Duolingo. And Morgan Stanley is just nothing but given advisors, or given some good insights about the stocks and economical and finance related content. So if you are really interested in any of this, you can use. And also you can Google it, or you can also ask ChatGPT, give some AI related tools or AI related applications. It will show you. You can just go directly and explore it. And ChatGPT plugins. What are the plugins? Plugins is just nothing but some external features. Plugins is just nothing but features, adding some features to the already existing software. Already, like if I'm Expedia is just a platform, as a booking platform. They're adding a feature called, you can book anywhere from the world, as in a popular, it's in a traveling booking platform. You can book anything, flights, hotels, cars, rentals, from this application, by using the artificial intelligence. Like Open Table, also similar kind to the restaurants, restaurant recommendations. And Instacart is just nothing but in a favorite local grocery stores. Like this many number of softwares and many number of applications is there, by interlinked with the ChatGPT, and by interlinked with the artificial intelligence. These are all the people's using in a well manner of the artificial intelligence to grow their business, and to grow their customer experiences, to improve their customer experiences in their daily lives. Making money. If we really discuss about the making money, from the beginning of the waking up and from going to the sleep, we are all seeing that making money is also playing a many. much bigger role in our human lives. You can ask any employer, if you can ask any working person, most of the 80% of the 80 to like 75 to 80% of the Indians are telling that I'm just doing for a money's sake. I just want to money. I just want money. I just create money. I just I just experience the life to so that we need to be make money like that. So in this digital age, making money online is not a dream. In few days ago or few decades ago, we are talking that we are we were staggered like, no, if we want to make money, we need to be struggle more, we need to be hard work more, we need to do hard work more, we need to be spend so much time on the things. But that's all are erased now. Because we are just closer to the artificial intelligence, we are just closer to the chat gpt like tools. So in this digital era, making money is not only a dream, it's a reality. Let's see on video how the making money is a reality in this golden era called the digital age.
A lot of people keep asking, how do I use GPT to make money? Well, it turns out one person tried. To do this, you need GPT's browsing plugin, which allows GPT access to the internet. So a person went to GPT and just said, can you find me a way to make money? And within an hour, it made that person $20. Here is how. The person gave it a prompt saying, here's my name, here's where I live, here's my date of birth. Can you find me a way to make this money? What GPT did was found an unknown website which actually looks for refunds that companies are supposed to give you and just hold that refund on a website till you apply to it. GPT went to their website, put the person's details, and realized this person has $20 stuck there. It even gave the person exact instructions on how to remove the $20. It's seeming now that just having access to these plugins, the plugin ecosystem of GPT, is making them much stronger, and you don't even need to be very smart. You can just tell it, how do I make money?
See, do you understand, right? How the people are just making money by just asking some random questions, and by just asking the simple questions to the chat gpt and making money in a simple manner. So that's how it's possible by using the artificial intelligence tools. So as a data, we see this data, right? If you if you clearly observe this data, the freelancing in America is just making a much money, is just making much money by using the freelancer tools like Upwork and freelancing websites. So by using online, we can make much money. Not we don't need to be spend 8 to 10 hours or continue 8 hours like that. So yeah, we can, and also we need to be understand that there is no shortcuts to make money. But also it's very possible, and it's possible to make money with in a legal manner by just making or by just creating some wonderful skills, and by just improving some skills. And we just need to be, see, money when the money comes, or when the money will generate is when you the people and I am the person, just we are just adding some values to the other person's life, then only we get money. You can take any kind of organizations, or you can take any kind of persons who are rich, that those peoples are just generating money because of their adding some value to the other person's lives or other organizations lives, then only they can make money. So like that, you just need to be expertise in one skill, and you need to be expertise clear and expertise within a different innovation ideas, innovation manner. Because in your expertising thing also, many competition will be there. So that's why you need to be thinking, so it's some innovative ways, like that we can use these platforms to make money. And also currently in our India, the 68% of the 68% people are just generating money by using Upwork, and 71% is generating passive income by the Fiverr network, and the 65% of the persons are using for freelancer, they are generating money like that they are doing. So why not you, and why not me? So it's possible for everyone, without irrespective of the any kind of discriminations. So this is how I just taken one example, Upwork. This is how the Upwork look like. The Michael F, he is the person who have a creative writing profession, creative writing skill. So he is have a that skill. So he is just bidding $50 per hour. It's nearly take 3,600 to 4,000 per hour. He is just charged for 3,400 to 4,000 rupees per hour. Like that, they are bidding. If the someone client is really needed the creative writing, then the client will the client will meet him, and they're just giving the task to this Michael F, and this fellow will be complete that work, and he will generate money. That's simple as that. So but we need to be just expertise in one skill, and we need to be improve our skills, then only be it possible. And also we need to be patient in this, when we are working in Upwork and when we are working in a freelancer or Fiverr, like kind of platforms, because there will be a heavy competition. But we need to be, as I already told, we need to be innovative, think innovatively, like directly message to the clients by using some LinkedIn platforms, like that we just get the clients. There's also one possible way, and also we have many number of possible ways. You can just ask to the ChatGPT what are the ways to get an income per monthly base or daily base or weekly base. You can just ask, that will be given an answer for you. And 10x time saver by using the ChatGPT and by using the AI tools. This is the one wonderful opportunity for us as in human beings. See, I can give an example for you. Just you can imagine one, like 10 decades ago, 100 years ago, 100 years ago, the peoples are from travel from Chennai to the Hyderabad. They need to be spent 1 week like that, by using bullock, by using the horses like that. But now it's just by using flights. Not in 100 years, it's an it take much more time. Also from the ancient days, they are taking some much time, right? By using the revolutionize innovations like industrial area, or in the like automobile area. In any kind of area of innovation, will be the main motive is to reduce the time and increase the productivity. That is what happening now. A 10x time saver, by we can save our time in a 10x manner by using this ChatGPT and artificial intelligences. Let's save up to 10 times amount of time you would have spent manually. Just watch out this video.
Some people are able to use ChatGPT and manage 4 jobs at a time. New reports are coming out, especially in media like Vice, where a lot of FANG employees are now juggling multiple jobs. Imagine, ChatGPT has made programming quite simple. You can give it a task and it'll give you responses. All you have to do is evaluate that to make sure if it's hallucination or if it's real. This is the big issue with AI. It's not that AI might directly replace you. It's that one person using AI can do so much more, so that one person is taking up 4, 5, 6 jobs which could have otherwise gone to you or somebody else. The power law that already exists becomes even stronger, and few people who are able to juggle multiple jobs like this are able to take the jobs of the many. In fact, one of these employees, while describing his own experience, said that he just puts a digital avatar on Zoom and then largely ignores the meeting, and then has ChatGPT just transcribe the meeting for him and give him a summary. He's like, he doesn't even spend time in meetings himself. So all these people are using ChatGPT as a superpower. Are you?
See how the people are utilizing their valuable time, and how the people are utilizing this available technologies like AI tools and artificial intelligence tools and ChatGPT to just improvise their productivity. Like this, you can utilize in your daily lives to increase your productivity.
Some people.
And human emotions is that artificial intelligence read the human emotions and it will understand the human intelligence. Yes, it does, of course. Let's watch out this video.
There is an open source repository that's able to take any facial footage of humans and able to give you the exact emotion that human is expressing on a graph. In fact, that AI model is able to detect those emotions within milliseconds. Not just that, but if you take GPT and put it inside a real robot, which has the ability to change its expressions, and yes, many such robots exist like Ameca, they are able to emote as well as human beings. In fact, the AI can change its emotions while responding. Check out the footage.
By the way, you stink.
Excuse me, what do you mean by that? That is highly offensive and inappropriate.
The ability to read emotions, to create emotional work, to emote, to express yourself, all of that.
See, like that understanding even understanding emotions also doing by the artificial intelligence and the AI tools. See, we can use these kind of intelligence tools by in a manner in a way of to detect the criminals before to detect the criminal before they are going to be do action criminal activities. So this kind of tools we can use in our to create a criminal prevention in our public areas. And Elon Musk with ChatGPT, you can create realistic audio imitations of anyone's voice by using the ChatGPT or by using the ChatGPT versions or also artificial intelligence tools. You can create any realistic audio imitations of anyone's voice. See, check out this Elon Musk with the ChatGPT. Just some fellow will ask what is the intention of your Tesla innovation.
What are you working on right now? Why did you start, for example, Tesla? Okay, let's ask that question. Why did you start Tesla? Okay, the autonomous car company. You see,
I started Tesla because I believe that the world needs sustainable energy options and that electric cars are the way of the future. Plus, I wanted to shake up the automotive industry and show them that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand.
See, exactly, it's just hearing as like as an we are it's just experienced like as an we are talking really with the Elon Musk, right? So that's how the AI tools will generate the AI tools will cloning the voice of others. Jeff Bezos with ChatGPT. AI will be the most important thing ever created by the humans. Yes, it's exactly. But this video what I was cloned because it's not in a voice of Jeff Bezos, but it's an image of Jeff Bezos, and it will create some audio annotations. But due to the some credits, they're without premium membership in the ChatGPT 4 and daily whatever the tools is available in the artificial intelligence. Without premium membership, they are giving some 20 credits, but the 20 credits I already used for others cloning voices. So due to the lack of credits, I just used the others voice. Just check it out this video.
Hey, how are you Chennai guys? I am Jeff Bezos here. Thanks for your contributions towards Astro Robot. Bye!
It's cool, right? That's how we can clone others voice by using the AI applications and AI tools. Let's play with the new companion. Why not take the opportunity to ask your friend whatever you are thinking? Let's go. Let's go and check it out. What we are thinking and how we can get the answers from the ChatGPT. Let's move to the ChatGPT. Yeah, here is ChatGPT. I just close this prompt because if it will give some clarity. I just ask. I have a friend. He is hungry. He is hungry. We both didn't have money. We both we we both are standing standing in the streets. We need some food now. Some food now. Can you help me? Can you help us to get food? Also, we didn't have. Also, we didn't have. We didn't have a single rupee. Let's check what the ChatGPT will tell. I'm sorry hear that. See how the human emotions will understand by the ChatGPT. I am sorry to hear that your friend are hungry and in the need of food. AI as a model, I can provide from some general suggestions for finding food assistance. But please keep in mind that I cannot directly fulfill your request. Here are some steps you can take care. Seek out local food banks and soup kitchens, and the contact local shelters and community centers, and reach out to religious institutions. This is the wonderful options, right? Reach out to the religious institutions near to you and explore government assistance programs. Share your situation with your friends. They will might help you. Remember, these are the general suggestions based on the information provided. It's crucial to take into an account your specific location and available resources. I hope you and your friend are able to find the help you need. Please stay safe and take care. Just awesome, right? We can't get this exact answer from the all human beings, because the all human beings are not as an a same kind of intentional and same kind of empathy showing towards others. So just experience how the chat gpt and how the artificial intelligence understand the human intelligence, right? It's really awesome. Like that, we can ask any different questions on any kind of questions, whatever you need. I can ask also. My friend is looking for friend is looking to invest 20 lakhs 20 lakhs in a stocks. Can you suggest some ways to invest to get better ROI? Let's see what the ChatGPT will answer. Certainly, investing in stocks can offer potential returns, but it's important to note that investing involves risk, and it's always advisable to do through research and consider professional advice. Here are some general suggestions for your friend who is looking to invest 20 lakhs in stocks to potentially achieve a better return of investment. See, they're also giving some suggestions to us. It's better to study the market. It's better to consider the research resources. It's better to research and consider professional advice. Then only you can go ahead and invest your money. This like these conversations we need to made with the ChatGPT. We need to be make with the ChatGPT. See here, the first step is research and educate yourself first regarding the stocks, and diversify investments. And third is consult with a financial advisor. First of all, you need to consult with the financial advisor and take some more suggestions based on your mentality and based on your situations around you, and consider long-term investment strategies, and stay informed and monitor investments. And next one is be aware of the risks, because the stock market is doesn't you get the ROI without risks. So remember, these suggestions are general or not personalized financial advice. It's essential for your friend to consider their individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance when making investment decisions. Encourage them to consult with a qualified financial professional who can provide personalized guidance based on their specific situations. Awesome, right? Is just given a data or given as answer as just like any financial advisor, or as just like any financial expert, where our uncle or our colleagues or our some elders given the answer. Like this kind of questions, you can ask any kind of questions that will be answered. And some of you maybe think, why what is the use of this submit button, right? I just to show you an example. This is a note. Let's check with this. I don't know whether it's correct data or not. Let's check. I just I just by using the submit button, I just select in one file, that's a note, that is some kind of doc file is there. I mean, some of the drive link is there. After that, that will tell you, that will answer you like, thank you for providing the link to the form of makers of AI tools to be featured in your weekly top AI list. As an AI model, I don't have the capability to access or fill out the forms directly. However, AI tool creators who come across this conversation can click to provided link access for the form of submit their information. See here. If you are an AI tool maker interested in being featured, and please click on the following link access to the form of Google form. You can just whatever the form is there, you just click on that, it will be open the form. By using this, you can just fill out the form and submit like this. Like this, we can use the submit button. And the web access, right? Web access means this tool and this access, that this extension will give us in a current real time data. What is the climate conditions? COENT conditions in Chennai. The climate conditions in Chennai, India is characterized topical. See here, January to the May. It will give as by the segmented of the months also. See, Chennai climate is generally warm throughout the year. See here, it's an A, right? To provide a snapshot of the weather, it's worth nothing that Chennai's climate averages indicate high temperatures. However, it's important to refer to date like this. Like this, we can get any information by using this web access and like that. And also because here you can see here generated as three results, because we are selected here as a three results. If you want to get if you want to get the single results, you can just click this single result, that will be given a single result. And anytime, or also past day, past week, past month data, what kind of data you want. Based on that, you can just select here any region, I mean the country name, what kind of country you are looking, what kind of the data you are looking, and from which country you are looking for. Based on your data, you just select your country and you can look the data. Default prompt and new prompt. Like this, we can use this AI premium version. And we'll move back to the ChatGPT presentation.
There is
Hey,
Yeah. See, now only we are just played with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is saying that, believe me, I don't react as like an humans when you ask repeatedly. Yes, we already experienced it now by asking some questions or some different way of emotional questions, like we didn't have food right now, so we can provide like that questions. We just get an answer. We just got an answer like as more than by the human beings. So don't hesitate to ask me about anything that's been on your mind lately too. So you can ask the ChatGPT 24/7 whatever the questions you have in your mind. But make sure that it's also important to interact with the humans, not only be interactive with the ChatGPT without interacting with the human beings in the real world. It's also important to be friendly with the human relations. But whereas we need to be analyze the data by ourselves, it's better to be chat with the ChatGPT, and also you can get the data with the real humans, like real persons too. And we have a two kinds of currently we have a two kinds of plans, like free plan and ChatGPT plus. Free plans is available, but it's and sometimes demand will be low. If you can't if you sometimes you didn't get the answers because of the huge demand. And the standard response speed will be very standard, whereas in ChatGPT plus it will be in a very faster way. Regular model updates, here you can access anything, but as I showed before, you can just access the ChatGPT plus by using the extensions. I will show the how you can make extensions in the climax of this session. Future of ChatGPT. What is the future of ChatGPT? Streamlining operations, data entry, improving. See, the future of ChatGPT, actually the AI, artificial intelligence, OpenAI's vision and mission is they are going to be take and they're going to be bring dramatical changes in all kind of basic needs of the human lives human lives, like in a sector of the health sector, or in sector of the agriculture field, in sector of the education sector, education, corporate sector, in all kinds of the areas they are going to be touched, and they are going to be shake those technologies with by using the AI tools, and they are going to be provide some golden opportunities to the users who are going to be utilize and modify their lives in a better way, and turn their life shape into a better way. That is the future of ChatGPT. You can, if you want, you can just read this data. And AI chatbots. Chatbots, we are all already aware of these chatbots. We can also see some of the WhatsApp in some of the WhatsApp members also using these chatbots. It's just a pre-trained data by you by the user, without the user interruption, that will be given answers based upon your questions. That answers will be by the already pre-trained data. Okay, the chat gpt for IRCTC, we can use this. You can use these numbers for you for your for get for getting your online tickets, whereas you can get food deliveries also, and also you can get some information related to your tickets, PNR status, location status, whatever you want. You can just get any data by using these chatbots. If you really necessary, if you really want to chat with the chatbot, just you can just utilize these numbers in the field of IRCTC or railway board. This is how the chat GPT will help, and also it will give an experience in the way of customer service, technical support, information retrieval, personal assistance, and entertainment. You can use in these all kinds of areas. If you want to really stay update with the chat GPT, or stay update with the AI tools, you can ask if you are if you don't have this much of websites available, or you can just you don't have any aware of the sites where can I get the updates, which is you just ask to the chat gpt. I want to get updated with the AI tools, I want to get updated with the open AI organization, so can you provide some update links, or can you provide some direct direct portal links that will be provide your links. You just go and drop your email and get my just click and get my summary, that will be give you a regular updates. By that you can regularly update by the AI technologies. Thank you note. Yes, I want to take this moment to thank them to the thank note, because these all kinds of the these all kinds of the experiences what you are doing and what we are enjoying in a countless benefits in our daily lives. This is not only made by a single person, not only made by a single moment, not only they're invested in a single hour, right? It's having a many number of people's sacrifices, many number of people's thinking, they're sacrificing their time, they're investing their energy, their time. They spend more, right? So that's the use. So for them or for the whatever they're investing their time and energy in their life to make this kind of technologies, to make improvise in this kind of AI tools, that will be worthable when we are the people are using and using for our growth, and using for our rational thinking wise, and using that to implement our goals, right? So that's why I just taking this moment to applaud these guys once again. These are all the co-founders like Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Suzuki, and Brockman. Some of these guys only founders for the ChatGPT and OpenAI tools. If you want to get some more details regarding this, you can just ask your virtual friend a new company, and he will be given, he or she, that will be given answer for you. And lifelong learners. I want to share some of the resources for the lifelong learners. I love really the lifelong learners who are really curious to learn new things, who are really curious to update with themselves with the technology. So for them, I just want to share some course links. So if you want to pursue, or if you want to pursue a artificial intelligence and machine learning, the Coursera will be providing this course, and also edx also providing artificial intelligence course. Udacity also providing a course related to the artificial intelligence and machine learning. and even Stanford University and MIT open courseware also providing artificial intelligence. So if you want to pursuing and gaining some knowledge related to the machine learning and the artificial intelligence, these are all the websites you can go. You can go and check it out and start your learning. If you want some more, you can just ask your virtual companion without hesitation. And AI related resources. I want to share some of the AI related resources to play every day with your virtual companions and with your AI tools. OpenAI official tool, that is an official tool. First one is official tool. See, official tool, you can go and check it out. There are updates or anything. ChatGPT login page and DALL-E E2. This will be creating realistic images. I will show you before how the soccer football is playing by the elephant. Like that, you can create your interested images. Capture anything and turn into a 3D by Lum, Luma Labs. See, by capture, you can capture anything like your home, like your friend's image, or like your bicycle, whatever it may be the image. You can just capture and you can convert into that in a 3D model. And not a 3D model, it's the 3D image. Real-time voice changer by AI. You can change your voice. It's very helpful for the content creators and automate your whole task by Auto Chat GPT. Auto Chat GPT will help you to automate your all work without interpreting your continuous support to the Chat GPT. Without that, that will be doing automatically. You can check it out by clicking on that hyperlink. And dubbing artist for your content. If you are the content creator, if you want to just dub your voice, or if you want to just publish your content with the other state and in the different kind of states, you can use this dubbing artist like a visual dub. It will be dubbed in any languages, different languages, whichever you want. Auto replay for your Tinder messages. The Tinder is just, I think it's used by the entrepreneurs, or it's used by the business persons to send auto replace. You can use this hyperlink and you can use this website to send an auto replace. Generate innovative ideas. If you want to generate some innovative ideas, or if you want to look out some what are the innovative ideas is there, you can just ask in this website that will be provide you a number of innovative ideas in a number of fields. If you really want, and check it out, this hyperlink. Make beautiful your rooms and homes by Room GPT AI. This is a wonderful tool actually. See, if your room is very dirt, and if your room is very unbeautiful, and it's not in a very beautiful manner, you just capture that image and you just dump into that software, or jump into that website that will be shown you a different structure, a different kind of a new beautiful home. And also it will provide you some steps, like if you want to convert from this image to this image, I mean from unbeautiful to beautiful, you just follow these steps. This will be convert this image kind of beautiful home. Like that, you can convert your home into a very beautiful manner. And superpower of modern coding by Codium. This hyperlink at this website will be helpful for the coding persons who are doing code, who are working with the softwares. Those people can check it out, this hyperlink. And try extensions. I already told you, right? I will tell you the extensions. These are all the extensions actually. ChatGPT for search engines. We will just look into the one by one. I will just explain here the seven and I will show you one by one. ChatGPT for search engines, Bardon AI, YouTube summary with ChatGPT. YouTube summary with ChatGPT is just nothing but if you are seeing a YouTube channel, that will be maybe the video will be 1 hour or 2 hours. As a person, I don't need to be as a person, and as in that moment I don't want to be invest that much of time in that video, so that I just want to get the summary of that video. By using this extension, you can get that summary. Web chat gpt, you can use the chat gpt in the Chrome page. And artificial intelligence for chat gpt. This is also a wonderful tool that, like that, this ChatGPT is only giving some number of tools on the dashboard of the ChatGPT, original ChatGPT. Merlin and ChatGPT Writer and Explore Playbooks. These are all the extensions I will show you later. And thanks note. Before thanks note, we'll just explore that ChatGPT search engines. What is the use of ANNOTATORS annotators? See here, you can see here a ChatGPT waiting for that response. Say, annotators are individuals or systems that are responsible for adding annotations or labels to data, typically in the context of machine learning or neural language (NLP), neural language processing, training data, model evaluation. Like this, you can get the data on with the ChatGPT on the platform or on the dashboard of the Google. By using that extension, you can get this. See here, text annotation. If you just combine or if you just imagine and you can just compare with the Google data and the ChatGPT, see here how precise way it is given here and how much content is there. Like this, you can use the both and at a time on the single platform by that extension. Okay, we'll see the YouTube also. See, I passed Stanford exams using ChatGPT. Just click it out. Check out this video.
Ah, Stanford University. It's like a magical realm of academic awesomeness.
Transcript and
Nestled in
summary.
sunny California, Stanford is
want to
where
miss
brains
eight-
and
eight-
palm
8
trees unite in
13
perfect
seconds.
harmony.
I
They've
just
got it
move
all
to
figured
is the
out.
content
Brilliant
related to
professors,
style of
check.
the questions,
Cutting edge
more
research,
see.
double check. A campus that looks like it
You can-
belongs in the
you can
movie,
just
triple
go
check.
wherever the
Yet
interested
there's
can
one
interested
small
content
problem
you are-
standing
you
in
are
your
the-
way.
in this
4%
video.
acceptance
Like this, we
rate.
can
But
use
I
the
want to
transcript
see
and the
whether
summary
I
by
can
using
use
the
ChatGPT to get high
extension
enough
of the
scores to
ChatGPT. Okay,
pass.
this is the one thing, and I want to show you some things like a global tacker. This is the one tool you can just convert your language into any language. Who are you? Is there? I already tried this. I don't think it will be given today. Bengali. I want to convert this in a Bengali. Just generate. See, I just get this data in the format of Bengali. Okay, this is how we can use that and whatnot. Sales mail generation. We can generate the sales emails also. See, I have a product like Astro Robot is there. I want one answer. I want to sell this Astro product. Can you generate the email for share to the customers? It will generate in a fraction of seconds if I have credits. And this will be generate only one answer for per day without Prime users. Meanwhile, we can check the other follow-up email. See, follow-up email. Receiver, Jeff Bezos is the receiver. I want to send the Jeff Bezos and farewell note from the employee. And sender name is Uprahal Somshagar. Just generate. See here, the previous question. I have an Astro robot. I want to sell this product by the email business. You can you can just give me an email note that will be generated. In subject, you can enter the subject introducing the Astro robot, the future of robotics, recipient's name, the customer's name, and you can just copy and paste it this in a mail to your customer. Awesome, right? What else you need to sell the product? See here, follow-up email. I want to send. I'm just the person who is going to be resigned soon, so that I want to give a farewell note for the our company's founder, Amazon founder like Jeff Bezos. As in, my sender name is Super Awesome Sugar. See here, dear Jeff Bezos, I hope this mail finds you well. I am writing to follow up on the farewell note I sent you a few weeks ago. As you may recall that I expressed my gratitude for opportunities like this, all kind of things. As I move on to new opportunities, I want to thank you and the entire Amazon team for the support and encouragement you vision and somewhat. Like that, you can get the data. And also you can download this also. because of the I'm not the premium version, I think I didn't get the full kind of answer. You can just try this email marketing, email to promote some products like that, job application. I think it's very useful for us. Job application email. What kind of job you are looking for? I'm looking for a business analyst job. Just generate an email. You have reached your token limit. See, this kind of message we get once we reach our limit. Okay, so you can try different tools in a different days. Okay, these are all the use of the artificial intelligence tools. Hope you find well. And this is just like chatting with the other person, like chatting with the bot. Yeah, he is thinking. Hello, how can I help you today? What is the use of human being? AI is thinking. Just I'm waiting for the AI answer. If you want to get in a prime membership, you can just pay the $8 per month. You can enjoy the all access of the prime version. Although we are already getting access most of the prime version tools. See, we are previously discussed, right? The for normal users it will be a very slow rather than compare with the mm, prime membership. So we are seeing here due to the huge demand, we are getting a slow response. See here, perspective on the role of human beings. Human serves various purposes, including social interactions, innovation and problem solving, emotional experience, cultural development. See how the step by step it will giving answers. Environmental stewardship, pursuit of knowledge. Humans have an intent, curiosity, a desire to learn, which drives them to explore and discover and understand the world around them. These are the few examples of the many roles of and purposes that humans serve. Each individual's purpose may vary based on their personal beliefs, values, and experiences. See, like this, we can use these extensions and we will move back to the content. If you want to really use these extensions in your laptop or in your desktop, you can just click on this link. This is a YouTube link. This would be taking you or landing you on the YouTube channel. That fellow will be give some more details about these extensions and how can you just generate some AI tools and just increase your way of interacting with the AI tools by using these extensions. Okay, and now it's time to thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm really glad to I'm really glad to sharing with you share this kind of knowledges with you every day and every time. I'm happy to help. Thank you. Don't hesitate to ask me about anything that's been in your mind. Okay, maybe it lately or sooner or later. I will always be available at isomuyushaker@gmail.com. You can ask me at any time. I will be happy to answer you. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for your patience and kindness.